Hi everyone, I'm Yan from Henan Name Brand Machinery in China. We specialize in produce and research food trucks, food trainer, food cars, electrical food truck, frozen food truck products. Now let me introduce this cube-shaped food trainer. This food trainer we improve based on before quality. There are mainly the follow difference. First, the body material. The body material is the galvanized steel sheet plant. Last month, our factory buy a presser machine, which is a special press the body to be flattened. You could see the body is very flat, and you could see here, very flat. This is use the machine, press machine, special to press to flatten. Okay. This is the door side. You can see this side. The body is very transparent and flattened. This window package, we special to make a mold to make this edge. This is 304 stainless steel. It is anti-rust. This edge material is aluminum, anti-rust, anti-water. Also, here we also special to make a mold to produce the edge. This is aluminum material. Also, it is anti-rust, anti-water. You could see the details. It is RV standard, RV house standard. All this made of RV standard house quality. Also here the inside could input the LED light belt. Put inside here, LED light here. Okay. This is the edge. Also RV standard. All this is RV standard. You could see this. We all use the best material. This is 210 weight. Could tall 210. Okay. 可以抓进去。Okay. Let us see the inside. Outside is the top is LED advertising. These parts we buy the best brand in China. You can see the quality, the best material, best parts. You can see it's very flattened. Stainless steel. Stainless steel inside the wall is our standard features. The door is very beautiful, very high quality. Okay, let us see the inside. Two side big doors. Okay. The two sides we could put stainless steel work tables. Now the inside is empty, but we could install the stainless working tables in two sides. Also could add water sinks, air conditioner. We also could add. There is also a window. There are totally three windows. We could add an air conditioner, exhaust, griddle, fryer, also in the tables. Okay, we could customize any equipment inside for you. Okay, that's okay. You can see this here is very thick here. Also, the material is very big. It is made of 3 layers. The body is very strong. You could hear the voice, very strong. The body material is 1 millimeter. Body material. Galvanized metal sheet. Body material. Okay. Okay. The two shafts could load 8 tons for above weight. Load 8 tons for this. This is braking with braking system. All this is RV standards. Okay. The inside wall, you could see the work details. It's very beautiful. The quality, the details means the quality. You could see our details. There is no screw for the stainless steels. Now this strainer is the best quality in China. Our price and quality will be your best choice. All this we use the RV standards. The Vedio, there are 3 layers. Outside the galvanized metal sheet, middle is keep warm material. Inside the wall is stainless steel material. Okay. Okay, thank you. Bye-bye. This is a hot pressing pressure. This is a hot pressure. Our top body, the whole body is processed by this machine. The whole body flat is pressed completely. Okay, now our practitioner show you how to work. Okay. Inside the wall. Talk inside the wall. Stainless steel. This is the top steel structure. This is the little warm material. Warm. Table temperature. This is structure outside material. Outside body. This machine, the top side is hot. When it works, it is high temperature, and the totally 3 floors. Each floor we will painting glue inside. Glue inside and plastic. And then we will keep this complete body material for 24 hours. Then it will go very well. Okay. This machine is very good. And this machine is ensure the top body is flexible and smoothly, like it's very smoothly. Okay, let's see how it works. The top body is smoothly and flattened. How much is flattened? Most of the construction use this type for middle insulator. But all our trucks now use this type. This type. It's very thick, 40 millimeters. It is this material is harmful for people body. It is easy to occur cancer for this one, but this one no harm. It's not harmful for human body, and it's better. It keep the temperature twice better than this one. Twice effective than this one. This is much better than this. And also this one cost is very high than this one. You can see this one. The quality much different. This keep temperature inside temperature very well than this one. This one is very good.